Hi everyone, wanted to share with you a kit that I put together. Actually, there are 3 different kits that I received. I have like 36 more of these to go from like Scraptastic. I can't remember what the other two one. I think the other one was Hip Kit, and I can't remember what the third one is. But I would get them, I'd look at them, and I would put them in a cabinet and not use them. So I went through and found 3 kits that kind of went together, and I just kind of wanted to go through with it, go through what I put together for it's like kill a kit with style. So the first thing is the chipboard, Maggie Holmes. Then what I did also is I put the papers together. Once I went through all the kits, I put all the papers together. I think there was 2 that didn't go. They were from Moonstruck. I took those 2 out, and then I went through my scraps and items that I may have wanted to scrap with them, and went through my pictures. So this first one are these 3 pages that I'm going to use this as a border, and then I'm going to gut the middle. And I have the doilies, some black and white paper, and some of that. So then I pulled those from my scraps. So that'll be 1-page kit. Then I have this one. I love this paper. This came from Studio Calico. That was the other one that I had. And then I'm going to put those 3 together. These are the other sides. So I use those as well. This one. Yep, this and this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. I love these 2 together, but I want to find the perfect picture for them. So haven't figured that one out yet. And then these I got from Joann Fabrics. They were 6x8 pads. I have a whole bunch of them. I bought 2 of each, I think. So I put that with these. This is another Studio Calico paper, and it went really well with this. I'm not sure what this one is. This is Simple Stories Posh. And this is Saturday, Dear Lizzie. And I'm going to use these 3 together, and this will probably be a 2-page layout. That. And then this is Better Together, Amy Tangerine. Better Together, Amy Tangerine. And then this is crepe paper. This blue one is Maggie Holmes Gathered. I really like these frames, so I'll probably gut this, but I'm just going to use the blue as the border. So there we go. And then I'll probably cut the frames apart. This I found in my stash, my scraps actually. For some reason, I wanted to put it with this. Maybe pull in some more of this green color as well. But I really like how those went together. Oh, let me see. This was a Scraptastic Club exclusive. Food, I family, I story. Don't worry, be happy. And then this one is a Hip Kit Club, Winter Blooms. So there we go. This is Maggie Holmes Gathered. Or Gather, sorry. I don't really like that side that much. I might use part of it for something, backing or something, not sure, but I think I'm going to use the birds. And then this is Hazelwood by One Canoe 2. This is very pretty, but I'm probably going to end up using them like that. And this was in my stash. This is what is it? Write Out Collection. We Are Memory Keepers. And this is crepe paper. The other side is music, melody, Maggie Holmes Gather. And then this is Simple Stories Posh. I thought that all went really well together. And then this one is Maggie Holmes Gathered Jane, which these flowers are beautiful. I know a lot of people cut them out. Not sure where I'm going to go with it, but I did like it with this other crepe paper, which is a Gather Maggie Holmes as well. So, oh, I might use that side too. I do like that. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. And then these are from my scraps. They matched. I want to try and find a darker green to go with it as well. And then this one, these are my scraps that I pulled. Let's see, this is Jen Hatfield Every Day. I'm going to use this side, and this is also Jen Hatfield Every Day. I do like this side, but I like the blue, so I might use both. I might do a diagonal or something. Who knows? So Floral Skies. There's that one, and then once again, these I pulled from my stash. That won't. There we go. Come up. This is Felicity by Pink Fresh Studio. And I'll probably use the heart side. And then this is All Bundled Up, and this is a Hip Kit Club as well. Some gray stripes, which those are nice too. Maybe I might do the diagonal with the border and then use the blues. So next up, I'm going to find some photos to go with them, and I'll probably use the page maps, the Secret Kit Club page maps, sketches for these. And then my embellishments I put in a tray that I have, and I just have like the stencil came with the kits, these Posh Simple Stories, Pink Fresh Indigo Hills, some enamel dots came with it. I'm not going to go through this whole thing. Some butterflies, that's Hazelwood. These are just from my stash that I had. This, let's see, it's probably Gather, Blessed. I'm not sure what this is from, but they're just thickers. These were in there. It's my stash. The gold, these are nice thick ones. I like that. Let's see, this one is, it looks like the top was cut off. I probably cut the top off to fit. I really like these. These are Navy Pink Fresh Indigo Hills. That was in one of the kits. So I'll be using those. And then some of these Project Life Instagram cards were in here. Let's see what else was. This is all stash. These were in there. Some wood veneers, different ones. I'll be using those. Like pretzel movie camera. I thought this was really cool. You can see that. The pretzel's cool. The palette. And these are like acrylic. Reminds me of Spirograph, actually. And then last but not least, we had some acrylics. Yum. These are XOs in different colors. And together, more XO. And then we had a phone, maybe for selfies. And sweet. So that is my kit that I am going to, I had some bows. I'm sorry, the last two things I knew I had some ephemera, but these are just flowers, and then some bows, which I think are Cartabella. And I'm just going to work through it, see if I can use as much as possible with the page maps, and see if I can get some of this stuff out of my scrapbooking room and make room for some new papers. So thank you for watching, and at the end of the month, hopefully, I'll have a video with all my layouts, and hopefully most of this will be gone. Thank you. Bye-bye.